talk to you about business credit and personal credit, mainly personal credit, and how it elevates you to a whole nother level while building your business or doing anything in your life. Personal credit is definitely a key component of everything you got going on, as far as insurance, getting jobs, getting bank accounts. A lot of things are affected by personal credit these days, and with different credit laws changing and different people are repealing laws, different factors with scoring. You gotta adjust and build your personal credit profile to fit that. So what I want to talk about is, when I'm doing credit repair, I see a lot of my clients, don't have a lot of negative things on there, but they do not have any positive trade lines as well. They, get to a point where they are bad at credit, so they, cut off all their credit cards, don't apply for anything, buy all their cars cash, rent apartments, rent houses, instead of going through the process of being disciplined, paying down debts, and paying your bills on time and getting your credit right. But one of the main things you can do to help your credit is, outside of paying down debt, is adding positive trade lines and positive accounts to increase your credit history and increase your credit utilization. So what that means is, say you have a $10,000 credit card and you're probably use maybe $7,000 of that $10,000. Since you're way over 50% utilization, it's actually a negative. Although you may be paying that bill on time, it's negatively reporting because your utilization is so high. So what you need to do is call that credit card company and actually get an increase in credit line. Get a $5,000 increase, boost that 10 to a 15, and now your 7,000 is below your 50% utilization, and your credit score was either kind of remain the same or eventually start to go down once you drop under that 50%. So that's a tool. Or you can get a new credit card. Now, if you're credit challenged, you're under a 620 credit score, there's new fintech related credit cards and lines of credit companies that doesn't go off your credit score so much as it goes off your bank rating and the money you got going into deposit into your bank account. So one of my favorite ones I use, and I tell my clients I'm gonna give you a free one today, is Grain. 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 You download that Grain app. It's mainly for Apple iOS. I believe they have a wait list for Android, but there's another one called Tomo for Android, Tomo, and there's a couple of other ones as well. Probably chop this up and do a video and provide a link for it below, so you can have all the new fintechs that go solely off of bank rating and the money going into your bank account versus solely off your credit score. So what Grain does is, you attach your bank account. It reads the information in your bank account. It sees that you're at least depositing $500 or you have $500 in your account, and it will match that with a $500 credit line. If you have over $1,000 in your account, they'll match it with a $1,000 credit line. So that's what I did, and I have way over $1,000 in my account. So they offer me a $1,000 credit line. It reports every month, and it helps build my credit score and help build your credit score. So Grain, Tomo, X1 are some of the few credit card companies that go solely off your bank rating versus your credit your credit score. So that will allow you to build your utilization, actually lower your utilization, credit utilization, by increasing your credit limits, and then your credit score will increase in that regard. So I just want to mention that this morning. Hop on this live. Got a couple of people in here with me. What up, Burrows and Company? And until next time, man, if you got any credit questions, if you want to sign up for my credit mentorship, I have a link in the bio. Also, you can do a free credit consultation. The link for my consultation in the bio. Just shoot me a message, and I get that link to you so you can sign up, and we can get going and building your credit. And also, I'm about to release Friday a DIY, do-it-yourself credit repair package. So you can, it's a little cheaper than credit repair companies. It's the same template. It's the same guide that the credit repair companies use, that I use. They do personal credit repair, but you can do it yourself for a fraction of the cost. I'm going to start that off at about $50, I believe. Those have all the templates, all the letters, all the wording, all the addresses, everything you need to repair your personal credit yourself. So, checking out on the way to ECO Suites office. We need a virtual address, any notary services in Atlanta area. And follow ECO Suites. And it also helps you build business credit by reporting that virtual address or reporting that office space every month. All right.